friends, Spankie Valentine here. Welcome to my face, and once again my very bare, bald face is just on display for your pleasure and enjoyment, or horror. I am once again partnering up with Ipsy for this video, and I'm going to be showing you some of the products from this month's glam bag, which can we get like a thumbs up for this glam bag right now? I don't know why my camera can't focus. Like, what else could you possibly be looking for? Here, you want to focus on that? Here. Have it. There you go. I took a little voting poll on my channel, asked you guys what video you wanted me to do next. You guys overwhelmingly chose the no foundation routine. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I don't want to smear more products on my skin than necessary. Sometimes my skin just wants to breathe. So I'm going to show you a really easy no foundation makeup look that's also going to have your skin looking really glowy. I'm actually going to cover a variety of steps and probably use more stuff on my face than you would have to, just because I want to show you guys the variety of options that you do have to do to your skin. So I'm not in any way saying you have to do all of these steps. Alright, so obviously I have nothing on my face right now. There's no product, there's no moisturizer, no skincare. If you guys are interested in me doing a full video on my skincare routine, then let me know in the comments and I will make that video for you. Too many words are coming out of my mouth. Get back to the focus, Spankie. One thing that I do like to keep around with me is a hydration mist. This one is by Pacifica called Crystal Power, and it's just something that wakens up your skin if you're feeling a little more dry or patchy. Woo! Spritz this on the body as well with collarbones popping, just pop, 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 pop. I look like I have bodybuilder neck right now. Do you guys see the size? It's the look, bitch. 2018. You could literally just stop there and then do your eye makeup and call it a day. But we gonna go on a little further, you know, because I'm gonna give you them options like I promised. Okay, I don't know what that face is. I really need to stop making these ugly clay faces. Let's go ahead and moisturize, very important. So this is the H2O Plus Beauty Oasis Hydrating Treatment. I got it just like really quick because I'm so excited about this. H2O Plus Beauty is throwing a massive private party event for Stagecoach Festival in a couple of weeks, and I am actually the official host and MC of the party. I'm so excited, and because of that, so like H2O Plus Beauty actually sent me this massive box that I cannot wait to smear on my skin. Okay, let's get back to the tutorial. This is a fast absorbing gel moisturizer that's going to just draw moisture into the skin and help lock it in there and really hydrate and keep you moisturized. While that moisturizer is just fully marinating in the skin, I'm going to go ahead and do a lip scrub. This is the Trifle Cosmetics Sugar Bunny Lip Scrub in Watermelon. This is going to help prep your lips before applying a lip product later. Girl's going to get rid of all that dry, chapped, crackly, like, you know who you are, okay? You know you put on lipstick that one time and your lips needed a scrub, you ignored it, you went out, and people were like, I can't really make eye contact with you because all I see are desert flakes coming out your mouth, okay? What's that? You want more glow to the skin? Ordinarily, if I were not going to put any kind of highlight on at all, then I would go in with my face oil. This is by Derma E Essentials. This is the Radiant Glow Face Oil, and what I'm going to do instead is use a primer oil. It's like 90% natural ingredients, so it's still really healthy skincare for you, but it's going to help fill in any large pores and just kind of smooth out the texture of your skin. This is a good time to do any under eye care that you guys implement. I'm using the H2O Plus Beauty Infinity Plus Firming Eye Therapy. A few more options on the skin if we want to go a little extra. This is the MAC Strobe Cream. This is in the shade Pink Light. I don't have the gold one. I should have the gold one. I don't know why I don't have the gold one. I would prefer the gold one. You just want to apply it to the high points of your face. Anywhere that you would like do a highlight. The cheekbone there. I'm going to pop like just a little bit on the chin. The center of the nose. And down the bridge, and then above the brows. Look at the nose. Do you guys see the nose highlight that's going on? We glowing, she glowing, she glowing, and she out of focus. Okay. Just gonna apply a little bit of that anywhere that you want to just have. See that? Do you see it? All right, everyone breathe a sigh of relief because we're gonna head on over to the world of concealers. I'm going to use this very minimally under my eyes here. Don't want to have is the concealer just look like super bright and then skin. this little friend here and that little friend there, and anywhere else that you feel you need to conceal. Bores, okay. I'm gonna use a concealer brush to just blend that out. Really feather it out. I'll usually go in with my finger and just kind of press into those edges just to make sure that they're really seamless. You can see how that just conceals the bag ever so slightly. It's not overdone looking. If you get really oily or you're just concerned about your concealer creasing, then go ahead and set it with a translucent setting powder. I would ordinarily skip this because I don't want my face to start looking powdered. You just want to apply it right on top of that concealer. All right, I'm gonna leave the face where it is right now, and we will come back to a little bit of contouring, and we will come back to some highlights. Don't worry, I would not leave you hanging without that alien glow. Generally, I would go with a little bit more of a minimal brow. I don't wanna chisel the brow. We just wanna fill them in and make them there. And again, I'm just gonna comb my brows upward. So of course, I'm gonna go in with an eyeshadow primer first and foremost. I know I should probably fill in my brow a little bit right here, but I'm just not gonna do it. I'm so over the brow shaming comments. If you don't like the shape of my brows, it's a really good thing that they're on my face and they're not on yours. That's all I'm saying. You get me? You feel me, Becky? Now I'm gonna do just a little bit of contouring in the crease there. I'm gonna go in with my bronzer. This is the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil. This is the Miche and Mia loose eyeshadow in the shade Copper. It's a loose eyeshadow pigment that's like a foiled golden coppery hue. I know, coppery golden shades for me. Shocking. Okay. That is so pretty. I'm like mad. They're so pretty. I hate you, but I love you because you were so pretty. Okay. Spankie needs to tone it down. Just kind of pat it outward. Go in with a brush to blend it out. I have really small eyes, in case y'all didn't notice. I don't have those like big doughy eyes. So a way to just like extend them and make them look a little larger is to do just a very slight eyeliner to it. Nothing super dramatic. So I've got the Ciate London Starstruck double-ended stamp liquid liner. It sounds fancy because it is. This is in the shade black. It's actually a limited edition. So one end has an ultra fine tip for like super precise little flicks, and the other end, it has a little star stamp. You guys see? Oh my gosh, that is like such a perfect little star. Alright, so I'm going to take this liner and I'm literally just going to ever so slightly extend the line of my eye outward just to make the eye look a little wider set and appear a little bit bigger. And then what I'm going to do is very closely trace out just above the lash line to like beef that up a little bit. You guys see how that just extends that look of the eye just a little bit as compared to this eye, which is just like a little shorter. We're gonna curl the lashes. This, I wouldn't skip on this step. For mascara, I'm gonna use the Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. I'm gonna leave the eyes like that. I am not going to apply falsies. We're gonna move back onto the face and add some little highlight because I know some of y'all just been waiting for it. Now, for those of you who are like, Spankie, I get it. Like, we're not doing any foundation, but like, I don't know if I can go without contouring. That's perfectly fine. I got you, I get you. If you use a cream contour, then that's going to help melt in with your skin. If you guys do want to do a powder contour, just know that that's going to diminish some of that natural dewy finish. Not quite to the top of my nose where we've already got that strobe cream giving it a nice highlight, just to the side of it. I am going to lightly set that contour just to make sure it doesn't move around, and I'm going to do that using the Firma number 202 angled brush. This is excellent for contouring and like getting around all of those tight little edges and corners of your face, so you could do it like on your nose if you wanted to contour around your mouth. I like this nose today. I would leave it here, but if you want to do a little bit of contour on the face. It's giving me a really thin streak, but that's fine because I'm just gonna go in, instead of using a beauty blender, I'm going to go in with my finger. It does not take a lot, especially for this look. It's just a really soft contouring versus it being flat over here. Just a little kiss of that contour. It is time to deliver that extra AF glow. The dewiness is cute and all, but like, I really want to blind oncoming traffic. I really want to annihilate my ex-boyfriends with the glare. Use the Maybelline Master Strobing Liquid. Now, the great thing about this stuff is when you put it on there, after you get it in place, it does not move. So just be prepared. You're gonna have to work a little quicker. So she got the little dish. Science. Do you guys see? Okay, let's get her blended. Again, this is for all my extra friends out there. You know who you are. You weren't gonna settle for no MAC strobe cream, okay? It's a cute little warm-up, but like, let's jump into the game. This is not for your grandma's bake sale. This is more like bingo night championship round, okay? How y'all feeling about this glow now? Yes! Okay, so you could totally leave it here. I'm going to set this with my powder highlighter, which is just gonna like blah! All over the face. Over highlighters do not come to play. This is in the shade Blissful. We're gonna start getting ridiculous on this face. Things are about to get absurd. Okay. And I picked this up as my mirror. Like I said, we about to get stupid with this highlighter. Alright, it's literally like so bright. I feel like my camera sensor is not even picking it up anymore. It's just going to white pixels. Listen, no one said that I was going to be responsible in my life choices when it came to highlighter. Okay, let's do the lips, yeah. So I'm first gonna line my lips. Let's be honest, I'm gonna overline my lips first because I got that like angel hair pasta situation on that upper lip. She is so skinny, okay. For the lipstick, I'm going to go in with the Real Her Moisturizing Lipstick. This is in the shade Girl Power. Can I get a what? So this is enriched with shea butter, jojoba seed, or jojoba, I don't know why I can't say that word, jojoba. It's gonna give you like a nice satin finish with a sheen to it, which is great for this glowy look. So I'm going to apply this over the top of my lip. This is the Dirty Little Secrets Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Nude Beach. Don't we all want to be that right now? First on its own. Ooh, she is pretty and she is shining. This is a lightweight, non-sticky, high gloss shine formula. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Looking like a glazed donut in this bitch, okay? She looked like she just rolled around in that fried chicken grease and came out popping. Final step for the face, and then we'll move to a little bit of a body glow, is to just meld everything together. So I'm going to use the MAC Fix Plus spray. That is so cute! I love it! Let's do it one time for the body. So this is not something that I would do every single day all the time, but maybe more for like an event. This is Delectable by Cake Beauty. This is a triple moisture body lotion. Yes, yes, yes. This is in coconut and cream, which... Oh my gosh, why does it smell so good? So this body lotion is enriched with coconut oil and shea butter and aloe vera. This is a really simple trick to do. Take some of the body lotion, and then I am going to add some of that liquid highlighter that we used on the face. Add just a touch right into the moisturizer. I'm just gonna mix that in. So if I'm coming into, oh my gosh, do you guys see that? It's so pretty, and once it absorbs in, it's just going to set and give us that like nice natural glow. Right into those holla at them collarbones. Come through, Cleve, come through! dear friends, is how we glow up and poppin' and football neck and bodybuilder neck. Before we wrap it up, it's also important to note a little bit of hair care. This was also in the glam bag. This is by Theory Hair Care. This is a detoxifying hair mask. I like this because it's great for all hair types, and it's really going to refine and detoxify your strands and get them like nice and healthy and strong. Once again, a big thanks to Ipsy and all of the brand partners for the products in this video. I will have product links listed down below in the description box per usual, so you guys can check everything out. But I know you ain't gonna go anywhere right now because you know you got a couple of videos right here that you just gonna watch, okay? So like, just sit down, like don't get up. You look cute now, okay? We did our makeup, but like just chill out. You gonna hang out with me, okay? Check out one of these videos. I know you're not leaving. You're gonna hit that subscribe button and you're gonna watch one of these. You know you ain't going anywhere else. You know you're gonna click or tap on one, so I'll see you over there. Yee.